I'm back again, boys and girls. This is part 2 of that video. It looks like my camera is cutting off. But I continued and making the flat, a plano. And all I'm doing is making 10 little lines so that I have a flat that is equivalent to having 10 longs. Estoy haciendo 10 líneas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. Y miraron como está un poco... It's a little bit off, but it's still a flat. And el último que voy a dibujar, the last one I'm gonna draw, is the large cube. Va a ser el cubo grande. Para dibujar el cubo grande, we're gonna draw a square, un cubo. Okay. Then we're gonna do the top line is gonna go out. Second line is gonna go out at an angle. Okay. We'll talk about angles later on in the school year. Then I'm gonna close it. I'm just gonna connect the dot with the dot. Now, I'm not gonna make a perfect 1,000 because this is a small cube. Este cubo no lo voy a hacer perfecto porque está chiquito, pero le voy a hacer las líneas como que si fueran un cubo perfecto. Here you will draw a cube, and I'm making lines so that it looks like a cube because I know I cannot fit 1,000 lines, 1,000 cubes in here. But I'm making it as close as possible just to draw my cube. Boys and girls, if you need to pause the video, si necesitan pausar el video para que lo puedan dibujar o escribir, ahorita es el momento. And then after you pause it, you can continue or you can rewind the video at any time you want. This is why I like virtual learning, is because we have the power to do all that. Tenemos el poder de hacer esto, podemos pausar cuando queramos. Now we're going to put the place value. Okay, so this is the cube, which is this one. And there is 1,000 in here. So this is the thousands place. This is the flat. Okay, look at the flat. The flat is worth 100. Now we go back to the long. The long has 10. That is the 10th place value. Then we go to the little small cube. That looks like a little square here, a little cube there. That is worth 1. Okay. So now I'm going to take my blue marker, and I'm going to say that this cube here is 10 times as much as this cube. So I'm going to draw an arrow going this to the right. This cube is 10 times as much as that. In the bottom square, we are going to write. So are you ready? Vamos a escribir abajo en inglés usando oraciones en inglés. Yo sé que ustedes van a querer hacerlo en español, pero tenemos que practicar el inglés. So, for the sentence stem, I'm going to use my pencil. Okay? I'm going to write the blank is blank times, and I hope you can see that, as much as the flat. Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have left that there, but I'm gonna walk it through the blank. So basically, you are writing this in all of them. And if you can't see it, boys and girls, I'm going to show you what it should say. Me van a copiar estas oraciones en el último cubo. The blank is blank times as much as the blank. Okay? I don't think I can fit it in my screen, but the blank is 10 times as much as. So we are going to fill in that blank. The blank, so the large cube, el cubo grande, en inglés, the large cube is 10 times as much as the flat. Okay? This is where you can pause it, boys and girls, and copy it. I'm going to get a pen because it looks like it is not coming out clear. Okay, boys and girls, I am back, and now I got a pen. If you know how to use the pen, this would be a good time to use it here because it would make your foldable look very, very nice. So I'm going to write the sentence again. So the blank is blank times as much as the blank. Okay? Now I'm going to do that for the next one. The blank is blank times as much as the blank. We'll go ahead and pause it. This is where you can pause and record all that in your paper. Okay, boys and girls, I am back. Ya regresé. And if you can see, I have rewritten it and it's a little bit darker for you to read. So, vamos a empezar. Ya lo escribí, las oraciones para que las hagan completas. Acuérdense que tiene que tener punto final and it has to have a capital letter, y mayúscula. El primero es el large cube. Ooh, you know what? I forgot my E under large. The large cube, large va aquí adentro de la primera, is 10 times as much as the flat. Este cubo 10 veces más que el plano. Okay? So what will we write for the next sentence stem? What do you think we need to write on there? I'm going to pause it. I'm going to let you think it out and write it. Okay, boys and girls, I am back. Ya regresé. Este es un flat o un plano. So the flat, which is this one, o sea que el plano es 10 veces, is 10 times as much as the what? So I'm going to get my marker. So the flat is 10 times as what? What is that next one called? The long. Okay. I'm going to let you go ahead and record it, or you can pause your video right now and write it. Pueden ponerle pausa. Saben que cada vez pueden poner pausa si estoy yendo muy rápido. All right, welcome back, boys and girls. I am back. I just paused it, and I pause it as I go. Okay, now this is your little exit ticket. I want you to complete the last sentence stem. Okay, quiero que completes la última oración. I want you to post it in your discussion. I want you to take a picture and post it in your discussion. I want to see your final product. Okay, this is my last message to you. Go ahead and do this. Hagan esto y me lo entregan. Tienen que poner una foto en la discusión.